Hi, I'm Chip Gardner.
And I'm Herbert Dubuisson. We're with Compass.
We want to welcome you to 4829 Sheridan in Metairie, Louisiana.
Let's go check out the house Chip and Crystal Gardner grew up in.
This is a notable opportunity to own an exquisite custom home on the levee of Lake Pontchartrain in Metairie. This is the first time the property has been available for purchase in its history. Sophisticated elegance meets everyday luxury living in this 3-story home with modern amenities. Designer finishes are complemented by soaring ceilings, unique custom details throughout, and an abundance of natural light. Upon entering, you are greeted by a custom, curved wooden staircase, soaring ceilings, and an ornate crystal chandelier that gives the entry a feeling of luxury and quality. The living room includes a grand fireplace, wooden built-ins, and a wet bar. Entertain in the open living space with large windows and doors, with views of the levee and
The primary suite features 2 large closets and an elegant bedroom. Enjoy ample space throughout the second floor with oversized bedrooms, a current office with bookshelves, and a bonus room. The 3rd floor suite has panoramic and completely unobstructed views of Lake Pontchartrain. Play a round of pool. Imagine watching sunrises or sunset off your private balcony. It also includes a 2nd wet bar and pool table for entertaining. Rest assured, knowing this house was built with steel studs for extra durability. An added bonus, this house features a 2-bedroom detached cabana with mini kitchen and bathroom. If you're interested in this property, please reach out to us for more information or a private showing.